Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I brought such is an important topic for you people, that is all about modal auxiliary verb. What is modal auxiliary verb? So let's begin. Modal auxiliary verb shows the mood, nature of the speaker. Modal auxiliary verb is used to show ability, possibility, and advisability. Once more, modal auxiliary verb shows the mood or nature of the speaker. Modal auxiliary verb is used to show ability, possibility, and advisability. Modal auxiliary verb متداخل this your speaker mood, nature, or the muta possibility, ability, and advisability. For example, I can play cricket. It may rain today. You should go to doctor. Note: one keep one point in yourself. Note is very important. Modal auxiliary verb must be followed by base form of the verb. Modal auxiliary verb musra हमेशा दिपारा base form follow कई. So guys, this is our today topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.